Mike Hughes here. I'm at Mayan Princess, and I'm here with Antonio. And you want to tell us a little bit about the resort?
Definitely. Well, thank you for coming. You know, we're a full dive, all-inclusive dive resort on West Bay Beach.
Okay.
We've got a beautiful beach. As you can see, we got a huge 250 Blue Lagoon pool crossing the entire property. We're not your regular dive resort. What we did is kind of like get the best of both worlds. We got the resort feel about it and the dive aspect, and so it's a dedicated dive resort with amenities of a beach resort. So we've got, besides your regular buffet restaurant, we've got 3 a la carte restaurants. All your premium drinks are included. We've got everything's valet service diving. So once our guests get to the resort, leave the equipment in their dive shop, forget about it their week, we'll take care of it from that day on. So everything is like more into the services and giving amenities to our guests.
Okay.
We do 3 daily boat dives. So we leave around 8:30 in the morning, do 2 morning dives, come back for lunch, and then do an afternoon dive. And we do that for 5 days. And then there's a complimentary night dive that goes basically on our guest agenda during the week, you know. So we've got night trucks available as well.
Plus they can go right off of the boat?
Yeah, well, you know, we've got our boats pick up all of our guests right in front. We head out. The entire island is surrounded by reefs, so, you know, I could probably say anywhere you're going to go, you're going to find amazing reef. You know?
Okay.
So most of our dives are going to say are between the 60, 90 foot mark.
Right.
Water temperatures, the coldest it can get probably is around, you know, high 70s, you know, 79.
Right.
Usually it'll go between 79 all the way to 82, 83. So wetsuits are optional.
Yeah, right.
But it's a great location, you know, and we've got 1 and 2 bedroom villas, we've got regular hotel rooms. So according to how your group or family goes, we've got definitely accommodation for you guys.
And then if they want more information about the Mayan Princess?
Definitely you can go to my website, mayanprincess.com, or look at us on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. We're basically all help.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Have a good one.